Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles. Thank you for joining me here today. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Majora's Mask from the Zelda game of the same name, Majora's Mask. So this was a request from this wonderful person here. Their daughter wanted to learn how to draw it. So I've got some extra things out today. I usually just have, well, when I say extra things, I just mean a pencil and eraser. I usually just draw in a pen. Oh, sorry, you can hear my dog barking in the back. So I usually just draw with a pen, but today I'm going to sketch it out with a pencil, and then I'm going to draw over it with a pen, and then I'm going to erase all of my pencil. Oh, my puppy is barking again. I'm going to erase all my pencil lines, and then I'm going to start coloring. So the colors that you need to do Majora's Mask, we're going to need a purple, a red, an orange, a green, a blue, and a yellow. So let's get started. All right, so I'm going to start with the shape of a heart. So that's the our basic shape of the mask here. So I normally sketch everything out in pen. I do this because I'm often worried that it's like if I sketch in a pencil, it's not going to be dark enough for the camera to pick up on. But I'm trying to sketch a little bit darker here today so that won't be an issue. All right, so we've got our heart shape done. Next, I'm going to kind of divide this. So I'm going to split this in half. And then I'm going to go across this way as well. So this is now in 4 sections. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start right here and come on with a spike. And I'm gonna do that on both sides. So something else about having this shape split up into 4 different sections is that it's gonna help us keep things symmetrical. So what we do to one side, we want to make sure we do to the other side too. So it might not be perfect, but that's okay. We're just having fun and drawing. All right, so we're going to do another spiky bit right here. And we're going to do that over here as well. And another one. And same on the other side. And now we're going to do one more. Oh, sorry if you heard that buzz. That was my phone. All right, this one too. Oh my goodness, and there's my puppy barking again. I might have to kick her out of the room. Gonna round up this side right here a little bit better. All right, so now we're gonna do 2 spikes on the top. So one on this side and one right here. Okay, so now next thing I'm gonna do the eyes. So I'm gonna do a circle. And the circle is kind of not quite sitting on that middle line, just kind of, I don't know, can you see? It's like kind of just a bit is peeking out. And we're going to do the same over here. All right, next, let's do a small circle inside. And then a smaller one, and same over here. Now we're going to surround the eye with kind of like a lemon shape. So a lemon shape in the sense that it's like round and it's got like these two little pokey ends. So same over here, only the two little pokey ends, one is going to be right here and the other is going to be right here. Just like the opposite, kind of. All right, so now let's look at all these little spiky bits we did. The bottom part, it's going to actually be a bit curved. So let's curve the ends of all of those spiky bits. So we're going to eventually erase this line here. Okay, so I'll erase those lines after. All right, so next, let's start up here and curve above the eye. And we're going to curve here in the middle. We're going to make that little U shape and come on up and come up here above that little lemon top area, and then come on down. We're still surrounding that shape. And now we're going to go this way. Now we're going to do the same over here. So kind of follow that little lemon top and then come on under. And there we go. All right, so next we're going to do a line that comes from here, from these two bits here, and we're going to follow this little curve. So I'm actually going to do another one following that, like that, and same over here. When everything is all colored in, this like strip here that we just did, that's going to stay white. It's just like a little thin white strip. Okay, so now let's start, say, right here and slant downward a bit on both sides. And then we're kind of curving down. And I'm going to do another of that same exact shape that we just did, because this is also going to end up being like a white strip. All right, so next let's do two little dots right here. And now we're going to do some dots along here as well. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so now we're going to do another like white strip. So it's going to come down like this, curved a bit, and then come on up, and then down, and then it's going to make a little U right here, and it's going to do the exact same thing on this side. Okay, all right, so next thing, let's do, I'm going to put a little line right here and one right here, and we're going to curve. Because these spikes here, let me erase this. These spikes here are going to be sitting on like an orange curved rectangle. So let's do this on this side, like that. And we're going to do some little rectangles inside that shape. 1, 2, 3. So I put 3 on the side here and 1 right there, and same over there. All right, so now we're getting there. We're getting close to being done our sketch, but let's do some more triangles. So one like that. I'm going to do the little inside. And now we're going to do an upside down one and a little inside triangle. And now we're doing another one that is right side up. So now we do that over here. So right side up triangle with a little itty bitty triangle inside. Now an upside down one. And now a right side up one. All right. All right, so I'm done the sketch. Now I'm going to take my pen and I'm going to draw over all my sketchy lines and then erase all my pencil markings. So it's going to look a lot cleaner. All right, so I sketched everything out with my pen, but I totally forgot. We're gonna add some of these little dots up here too. So I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we're good. All right, so I'm gonna take my eraser and erase all of my pencil lines, and then I'm gonna get started with the coloring. All right, we're finished drawing Majora's Mask. Thank you for drawing with me today. I hope you have the very best day ever, and I hope to see you back here for our next drawing. All right, everyone, have a really good day. Goodbye.